Hello everyone, and welcome to another Art for Alzheimer's Care project video. Today we're going to be making a paper spinner. So to get started for this project, you are going to need a piece of cardstock paper. Here I'm using a scrap of cardstock that I found. It just needs to be large enough to put 2 CD-sized circles onto. So after you've got your paper, grab an old CD and go ahead and trace the outside circle as well as the inside circle. Once you've done this, you can grab your scissors and cut both of the circles out. After cutting out your circles, you can grab your markers and go ahead and start decorating. So you can decorate these any way that you like. The first one I decorated kind of in a spiral kind of shape. And then the second one I did more of like a checkerboard kind of look. What you can do is decorate one half and get your loved one to decorate the other half. Or if they're willing, they can decorate both halves. So once it's decorated, go ahead and glue them together. And then trim off any little edges that are sticking out. So moving on to the next step, you're going to want a cutting board for this. Draw a line in the center circle that splits it in half. And then grab an X-Acto knife or a craft knife, or if you have a kitchen knife that will work. You can cut down that line that you just drew down the center. Make sure that the cut goes all the way through both pieces of the cardstock. Then you can grab your coin and push it through the cut that you made. Now as you can see here, the coin is a little wider than the cut, so the paper ends up ripping a little bit on the sides, but that's okay. It seems to help to grip the coin better for some reason. So once your coin is in there, you can have some fun spinning it around on both sides to see what the patterns look like. And there you have it, a neat little toy that you can spin. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe here on YouTube so that you can see other videos like this one. Have a great day.